Which bar we there right now? Here, sir. Here, sir.
Yeah. Starbucks. You see, discover over 8 shops and dining. See?
That remind me of one place where that remind me of one place over France. The name, like if they look on.
Where? Up here? Up here?
Me don't like it either. Me don't like it either. Where you go?
Look at the walk. This one.
We go downstairs? Yes, sir. I go somewhere. Where you go?
Just a walk. You don't want one?
What them there? Oh, we can look on them. What's what them say? What's your story? It's incredibly funny, motivational. Suddenly I cried reading them for all these reasons. Never stop what you're doing. I can't stress it enough. We need this kind of unity and space overall. Thank you and take care. Thank you for this. It made my day in the weird works human connection is. Okay, what's your story? Stranger project. I think this is one YouTube channel, but I'm sure.
Yes, it is.
I'm recalling what one of the videos before.
They say you can go in and share and tap.
Yeah, I mean, I know for sure.
You want to go there?
All right.
So what else? What else you can sit down here so it draw your attention, right?
But the place them closed probably because they're late.
People go find some stuff fascinated while some people find fascinating. You know that? Four t-shirts for $179.
We can. No, I want different parts with it. I want different parts with it. Because we can still go. We can remember. Realize.
So a lot of steam, right?
You want to go? Can. Realize. Yeah. I mean, it's alright. Oh, it's just this.
Nice, right?
And I don't like it because it's see-through. When it's see-through, I don't like it. It's like in the ride. So you say I come. Maybe there, sir. Maybe.
Cheers.
Can't go on.
Insufficient. Oh shit. One. That is yours.
It's